Today we're going to be looking at the DB Power Jump Starter Pack. Now to me this is a very key piece of equipment if you own a car, because if you get stuck with a dead battery, or even if it's a weak one and you need assistance starting your car, this comes in handy. And it's also a great safety device because let's say it's winter, even if you have road service available to you, waiting maybe an hour or two for road service to come in the cold winter with a dead car is a safety hazard. So these things are not only super convenient, but it's a great safety item to have. And let's check out what's in the package and let's see how it works. So this is pretty much how you use this to start up your car. So the jump starter is up to 7.2 gas and 5.L diesel engines. It's a battery booster and it has a smart charging port, LCD display, intelligent jumper clamps, a small little compass just in case you need directional help, and an emergency LED light. So you could jump up to 20 times with 1600 amps of peak current power, and the heavy-duty clamps are capable of handling that. But yet it's so compact that you could store in your glove box and even in your spare tire compartment. And it's not just a car starter, it's a portable power station where you could charge your smartphones, tablets, and other devices with the fastest speeds possible. These are high quality spray gold clamps that provide short circuit protection, overload protection, and over voltage protection, and also overcharge protection. They've added a new LCD screen that can exactly show the remaining power and percentage. Easily recharges via the USB cable or charge it with the clamps on the battery. It also has an adapter that you could plug in, but that is not included the wall adapter in the package. You could use a multi-adapter and just plug it in, but in my opinion you really don't need it because you could charge it with the battery by running the car on it, or you could easily charge it with the USB port. So this is a cool, slick design that could charge most anything you need to charge and get you back on the road without having to wait for road service, or let's say you don't even have road service. You could provide road service for yourself or even help someone in need, which I've done plenty of times when I've seen someone with battery issues. And it's pretty nice to help someone out with some portable power. So this is a no-brainer. Pick one up today and you will not be disappointed.